Disaster to digital communication. Next, disaster to digital communication. Data transmission via many channels is known as digital communication. Source coding, channel coding, modulation, and the channel itself are the four primary components of this. Source coding, a kind of channel that compresses data by eliminating superfluous redundancy. Example, one way to compress an image that contains a lot of the same color is the represent the color once and the number of times it appears instead of listing each pixel correctly. While the main purpose of detecting and correcting any errors that arise during data modulation channel. Modulation is the method of transforming digital data ones and zeros into a physical signal waveform suitable for transmission through a channel. Communication channel. There are two types of channels. First one is baseband channel. This kind of channel has lower frequencies through since it has a low frequency signal similar to a phone line. The next one is passband channel. This channel is utilized for a radio frequency transmission and optical fiber and runs at a certain carrier frequency. Sample. Unshielded twisted pair. Digital data is transformed into a voltage signal with the help of a digital to analog converter and an amplifier. The second one is optical fiber. A laser converts the digital signal into light pulses where one is indicated by the laser being on being on and the zero by it being off. Example number three, radio frequency or wireless. Data is carried by modifying the phase of a radio wave. For instance, in case ca- carrying a positive since wave can indicate a 1, while a negative since wave can indicate a 0. Next, summary of the video. The receiver side, the process of the demodulation and the decoding are applied to reverse the transmission steps and recover the original data. The video also introduced information theory concepts including entropy in source coding and capacity in channel coding for deeper explanation.